Welcome to the latest stop on the road to the 2010 FIFA World Cup. In this episode, we feature two teams who progressed against the odds from European qualifying Group 3. We start with Slovakia, winners of the group and a squad full of confidence as it heads to South Africa. Vladimir Weiss's team did it the hard way, though. Victory was paramount in snowbound Poland before the celebrations could begin. Now, can the former Slovakian international guide his country through a tricky qualifying group in South Africa? Slovenia defeated Slovakia home and away in qualifying. A 2-0 victory in Bratislava helped set up a tricky playoff tie with European heavyweights Russia. Maciej Kek's team upset the form book to seal a place at their second FIFA World Cup finals. A dramatic win in the second leg in Maribor sparked delirious scenes. Whether that joy will reappear in South Africa is yet to be seen. Like the Slovaks, Slovenia faced some tough opponents in the group stage. Slovakia have testing assignments in Group F in Italy and Paraguay. New Zealand are likely to provide their best chance of victory. They start against Ricky Herbert's Kiwis in Rustenburg on June the 15th. 5 days later, it's Paraguay and Bloemfontein. Then it's the champions on the 24th at Joburg's Ellis Park. The 14th of October 2009. And in the midst of a fierce Polish snowstorm, Slovakia took the field knowing that only a win would guarantee their place in South Africa. A young nation held its breath. Slovakia had qualified for its first FIFA World Cup as an independent nation in dramatic fashion.
Myslím, že každý mladý chlapec sníva o tom, aby mohol hrať za svoju krajinu na majstra sveta.
To, že sme tu v Afrike, je pre nás, dá sa povedať, malý futbalový zázrak.
46-year-old coach Vladimir Weiss has been masterminding Slovakia's progress to South Africa after taking over from Jan Kosian in 2008. The previous incumbent had failed to lead the team to the European Championship that year and paid the price.
Tréner je veľká autorita, je z neho taký prirodzený rešpekt, čiže snažil sa nám vštepiť tie jeho myšlienky a myslím, že sa mu to podarilo, pretože dokázal tomu zdravo nabudiť pred každým zápasom a dokázal nás presvedčiť v to, aby sme verili v sami seba a odovzdali všetko, čo vieme pre to mužstvo a že sa mu to podarilo, dosiahli sme úspech a
When it comes to earning the respect of his team, Weiss has the advantage of having played at the highest level himself. The former Slovakian international has also proved himself in the coaching arena after leading Artmedia Bratislava into the Champions League in 2006.
Skrátka má inštinkt, ktorý sa nedá naučiť, ktorý sa nedá získať žiadnym vzdelávaním na žiadnom kurze, žiadnej škole. Má schopnosť reagovať, má schopnosť vytvoriť z hráčov dobrý kolektív. Skrátka jeho prínos je veľmi veľký a veľmi pozitívny.
Weiss further enhanced his reputation in April 2009 with a famous victory in the Czech Republic. Slovakia had already won 3 of their 4 matches in the group, failing only once against Slovenia. The match in Prague, though, was seen by many commentators as the toughest test of the team and its coach. Stanislav Šešták opened the scoring before the Czechs drew level. But with just 8 minutes left, Erik Jędryšek sealed a dramatic win.
Kde sa skupina otočila a zrazu sme sa stali favoritmi skupiny, čo sme museli potvrdzovať v ďalších zápasoch a prakticky sme rozhodli až v poslednom v Poľsku.
4 more points followed in the next 2 games. A 7-0 hammering of San Marino preceded a 2-2 draw with the Czechs in Bratislava. Weiss's influence on the team was unmistakable as his players faced a Northern Ireland team unbeaten at home.
Stále určená, proti akému superovi hráme a tak taktika sa určuje podľa toho supera, pretože ho chceme zdolať, takže nemáme len svoj štýl hry a stále si ho presadzujeme. Musíme samozrejme niečo aj prispôsobovať tomu superovi.
Šesták would go on to be Slovakia's top scorer in qualifying, and he was on target after just 15 minutes at Northern Ireland's Windsor Park. The coach once again marshalled his team to perfection, and midway through the second half, Filip Hološko put the game beyond the host reach and cemented Slovakia's place at the top of the group. The calm of Slovakia's capital, Bratislava, belied a growing excitement as the country's team plotted a sure and steady path to the FIFA World Cup finals. So far, the only side to beat Weiss's men was Slovenia, a 2-1 reverse in Maribor. Now there was the chance for a poignant revenge. Just a point from the return leg in Bratislava would be enough to guarantee Slovakia a place in South Africa. That progress would cap a wonderful campaign for the team and complete a remarkable personal achievement for its leader. The current coach, Vladimír Weiss, is a son of a former Czechoslovakian international also called Vladimír Weiss. His son, identically named, now has a chance to maintain an incredible tradition.
Tak, môj otec určite bol na mňa hrdý a šťastný za celú rodinu, pretože málo komu sa podarí mať otca, syna a vnúka, aby hrali za národné mužstvo a za svoju krajinu. A nám sa to podarilo a prakticky otec bol strieborný z olympiády v 62. roku. Ja som hral v Taliansku v 90. roku a môj syn bude, ak všetko pôjde dobre a bude zdravý, tak bude hrať v Južnej Afrike v roku 2010.
For 56 tense minutes, the home side were on course for a place in South Africa, although a handful of chances could have eased their nerves. The Slovakian fans played their part in lifting the team, but with almost an hour gone, it was the Slovenians who broke the deadlock. As the home side surged forward, searching for the equaliser that would confirm their status as FIFA World Cup finalists, they succumbed to the ultimate sucker punch.
Samozrejme tá atmosféra bola veľmi zlá, všetci sme boli z toho smutní, pretože sme chceli spraviť ten rozhodujúci krok na domácom ihrisku pre našimi fanšikmi, čo sa nám bohužiaľ nepodarilo a boli sme z toho smutní.
As the snow poured down in Chochov and with rivals Slovenia confident of victory in San Marino, Weiss's team had to beat Poland to avoid the lottery of the playoffs.
Tak naozaj to nezabudnutelný zápas, naozaj snehu v obrovskej zime. Najdlhší zápas v histórii Slovenska.
In the toughest conditions and with realistically a win the required result, Weiss's men were handed a lifeline after just 3 minutes. Poland's Severin Gansarczyk was left red-faced in the snow as he scored the only goal of the game and helped seal the away side's qualification. The relief at the end of the game was obvious as Slovakia's place at their first FIFA World Cup as an independent nation was secured.
Keď odpískal koniec toho zápasu, tak to bol neopísateľný pocit, naozaj obrovská radosť fanúšikov, keď vybehli na to ihriska. Ako sme oslavili ten zápas, naozaj na to sa nikdy nezabudne.
It's been a wonderful 12 months for Marek Hamšík. The Slovakian Player of the Year has been in fine form with his club side Napoli in Italy's Serie A, and his status for the national side as star midfielder is beyond doubt. His quality will be paramount if Slovakia are to progress to the knockout stages.
Určite je to náročná skupina, z ktorej naozaj bude ťažké postupovať, ale máme dobré vyžrebovanie a bude naozaj dôležitý prvý zápas proti Novému Zélandu. Ak sa vyhrá ten zápas, tak určite máme šancu postúpiť.
No, tak jak sme prekvapili v skupine, tak môžeme prekvapiť aj na majstrovstvá sveta. Určite nejdeme do Afriky len na výlet.